Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install and expand your toolkit in Elementor. This is incredibly useful if you want to unlock more design features and capabilities within your page builder, giving you access to additional elements that can really elevate your website's appearance and functionality. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. From here, we're going to focus on accessing the Elementor settings to explore what additional tools are available to you. In your dashboard, look for Elementor in the left-hand sidebar menu. Click on it to expand the Elementor options. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing and extending your Elementor capabilities. Once you've clicked on Elementor, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options. Go ahead and scroll down through these options until you find the section dedicated to features and toolkit expansion. As you scroll down, you'll notice several features that can expand your design toolkit. These features are essentially modules or add-ons that Elementor makes available to enhance your building experience. Each feature serves a specific purpose, whether it's adding new widgets, improving performance, or introducing advanced design elements that weren't available in the basic installation. Take your time to review what's offered here because these additions can significantly change how you work with Elementor. Now comes the best part. You can choose exactly what features you want to install based on your specific needs. If you're working on an e-commerce site, you might want features related to product displays. If you're building a portfolio, you might lean toward gallery or animation features. Simply toggle on the features that align with your project goals. This customization ensures you're not loading your site with unnecessary tools, keeping things clean and efficient while still having access to everything you actually need. Once you've selected your desired features, make sure to save your changes. These features will now be integrated into your Elementor editor, ready to use the next time you build or edit a page. You've successfully expanded your Elementor toolkit, giving yourself more creative freedom and design options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.